Hey gang, how you doing? I got a real quick recipe for some Pico de Gallo. I'll tell you what I got. I got two pretty good sized Roma tomatoes that I've diced up. I've got one fairly good sized fresh jalapeno. I've got maybe 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. I've got maybe 2 tablespoons of some fresh red onion, the juice from one lime. And I got a dash of salt, maybe a half a teaspoon of whatever, and some black pepper. Okay, only take a minute to put it together. So we're going to go ahead and toss in our tomatoes first, real simple. Toss in our peppers, real simple. Salt, lime juice, onion, and cilantro. Okay, and we give them a mix. This is great on tacos. It's actually great on anything, but it's great on tacos. Sometimes I put it in a quesadilla or a burrito, or whatever you like. It'll be something to kind of spruce it up, pick it up a little bit. Okay? And for me, we are done. How quick is that? Real simple. It's delicious. It's healthy. Got a lot of good stuff in it. You can cut out the salt if you like. We got lime juice, give it a little tang. Okay? Didn't take long at all. And we're done. Does that look okay for you folks? When it takes a couple minutes, it's something delicious, something you can add to your meal. You guys have a good day. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe for Mr. David. Okay, I'd certainly appreciate it. Thank you so much. You have a great day.